Every day, you're surrounded by systems you never signed up for, rules you didn't write, structures that quietly shape your choices. But what if the world isn't as fixed as it looks? What if the confusion, the chaos, the complexity were never meant to keep you safe, but to keep you in line? You could look away, or you could learn to read the signals behind the noise, to understand the mechanics beneath the surface. This is DECODE, where the invisible becomes visible, where complex systems become simple, where you stop playing by someone else's rules, because when you understand how a system works, you become impossible to control. The systems shaping your life are evolving faster than you're allowed to notice. DECODE is where we strip away the noise, reveal the mechanics, and hand the power back to you. The show is in production now, coming soon. When you're ready to see the world differently, we'll be waiting.